In this video, we're going to learn about the real-time visual display of the machine operation in 3D Pipe Designer. Once the nested parts have been sent to the machine, we use the Machine Operation tab, where we get to watch a real-time display of the machine cutting the parts, along with the machine position and speed data. The operator starts the machine, and then the machine cuts the parts while we watch. Note that this video has been sped up to save some time. When the machine is actually cutting, watch the torch turn red to show you. Note also that the current part being cut is highlighted in yellow. Watch the highlighted part change as the machine moves to cut the second part in this nest. The finished parts are complete. Thanks for watching.